Top 5 Best Portable Generators for RV. 1. POTEK 750W Power Inverter DC 12V to AC 115V Converter. POTEK 750W DC to AC Car Inverter, providing 750W continuous DC to AC power and 1500 watts of peak power, comes with battery clamps and cigarette lighter adapter. Dual AC outlets and 1 USB charging ports, ideal for charging. 2. Champion Power Equipment. The Champion Power Equipment 48034 25-foot 30 amp 125 volt generator extension cord changes your L530R locking outlet to 35-15R household outlets. Whether you're powering your essential items during an emergency or powering up your tools in remote location. 3. Camco 40043 TastePure RV/Marine Water Filter. Camco's TastePure RV/Marine Water Filter with flexible hose protector reduces bad taste, odor, chlorine, and sediment in drinking water with a 20-micron sediment filter. Also features GAC, granular activated carbon, filtration in combination. 4. Reliance Controls TF151W. The Reliance Controls TF151W Easy/Transfer switch is easy to install and easy to use. It is ideal for controlling a single 15 amp circuit, such as a forced air furnace. The transfer switch ensures that you can safely use backup power. 5. Pure Sine Wave Inverter Charger. Configurable input voltage range and battery charging current. LCD and LED display used to view inverter status and programming features. 4-stage battery charger, 8 preset battery voltages including lithium, user-defined option available. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.